Another thing my mum does a lot, she watches TCM, and she knows a lot of good movies, and she watches like thrillers and horror films, and and she turns them up really loud even though she's not deaf, and she's got two TVs going at the same time, so you're like, oh my God. So I just asked Judith what she thought she'd be watching, and she just, the first take, she just said, Psycho was on today. And then he went, ee, ee, ee. And I was like, that's the take I'm going to use. But then that cost £15,000, And then we used it twice, so it cost £30,000.